And then, of course, that's an experience you have. And unfortunately, that's an experience a person has with their parents, which is kind of, when we're kids, we sort of associate that's what relationships are like, kind of thing. So you grow up and you get in your own relationship, and number one, you're kind of at risk of getting treated that way yourself. And number two, even if they don't treat you that way, you're always kind of expecting it. You're always sort of shying away and expecting to get treated like that, because that's kind of how it was. That's what you saw. And unfortunately, that's tough. No child ought to have to see that kind of stuff. But unfortunately, it happens a lot. I mean, there are a lot of people that go through that stuff. You guys, and maybe I'm skewed a little because that's what I do for a living, but you guys probably don't realize how much is out there. I mean, again, it goes back to the point of nobody talks about this stuff. Nobody expresses that they experienced any of this stuff at all. Any other questions? Hey, good. Thanks for your attention tonight, guys. It was a great audience. Next time, I got two more talks till the end of the year, and I got to do psychotic disorders, and I'm going to do personality disorders. So I don't know if anybody cares. You guys care which one we do next? Personality disorders would be things like obsessive compulsive, dependent, borderline personality, things like that, and psychotic disorders would be things like schizophrenia. What else? Any kind of psychosis, really, but schizophrenia is one. Schizoaffective disorder, delusional disorder is kind of a fascinating one. Nobody cares? All right, I'll pick one. You'll find out next time. Thanks, guys. How much are you, Christine?
Oh, not much. Do you want me to zoom in on this?
I forgot to mention that, didn't I?
Can we zoom in on that or no?
Oh, yeah, I guess if we didn't, might as well. Maybe you could splice it in there if he wants to. Look at you.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm good with your skills there.
I'll let it sit here for a few seconds and then.